Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you try to update your iOS 13.7 to iOS 14, and you also have errors that your software is up to date and you can't download iOS 14. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just swipe up and just try to turn on airplane mode and just wait sometime, a few seconds, and just turn off it again. So another thing you need to check is to check your internet access. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. So just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi and also you have good internet connection. So you can also try to restore your router. And if you're using mobile data, just check your mobile data if you're turned on here. Also, you can restore it, so just power off and power on mobile data. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to the general, and in the general you will find reset, and just try to reset all the settings. So another solution is to restore your phone. So just click here in general in the settings, just click shutdown. So just slide to power off and just wait maybe about 30 seconds and just power on your phone. And the latest thing you can also try is just made force restore. So just keep holding power and low volume button until you will see here Apple logo. So just wait some time until you will see Apple logo. So now just release your fingers from these two buttons, and it means that you successfully made force restore. So now just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using it. So just wait.